So the best time to get out is before the sun comes up on the estuary, because you sort of have a look around to see what's going on. And I'm just having a look around the back lake area because I noticed some birds flying in over there. And just a few pelicans. And of course you can hear the stilts. Oops. Oops. One of the things I love about being out before sunrise is watching the colour of the light change. It often starts with those deep blues of early dawn. Then, as the sun gets closer to horizon, the colours begin to change. You might see violet, magenta and pink, and sometimes those softer, peachy tones. And it's not always just about the colour in the sky. The colour can be reflected in the water, or it can fall across the landscape and the birds themselves. Comes a little egret, and he's gorgeous. He's straight into fishing. Oh my gosh, you're not going to believe this. This is so beautiful. 4,000 ISO 500 speed, shutter speed, and I'm shooting wide open. And oh, that's interesting. So, just going to take a little bit of video, just so you can see what I'm getting. If I can do it. Beautiful. And see the spoonbill there? Oh, this is so nice. This is my favourite way of shooting. I haven't been doing it as much as I normally do because, you know, look at that spoonbill. And then the sun starts to appear on the horizon. But those colours don't suddenly disappear. The pinks and softer tones can still be around, mixing with the warmer light of sunrise. And for a short time, you can have this beautiful combination of colour and light before everything changes again. And that's what I love about first light. It's constantly changing. And sometimes you only have a very short time to capture it. Just as the sun comes up, the blue's coming in now. Still a little bit of pink around. And some of the birds are in the shaded areas, so you can still get some pretty shots with that light. And looks like it's going to be a clear day today.